Okay, for today's video, this is a new format. We will try to find out kung sino first, second, third, and fourth. I'll explain later. So first is si Jong. Okay. Bagong rotation. First is Jong. Tapos ang second rotation namin, bagong format yung pustahan natin. Sadam daw yung tawag. Explain. Sadam. So parang 1 versus all sa bawat butas. Tapos next si Tito Boy.
Okay, native flight officer Luigi Mariare. Second flight, get ready. Flight officer
And si Mongs.
Venezuela and Crescencio.
Okay, si Mongs ang third. And ako yung fourth. So, okay, welcome back to the channel. This is a new format. Playing with Mongs, Jong, and si Tito Boy. Inikot ko na. Ang una, si Jong. Tapos si Tito Boy. Tas ikaw, tas ako. So we are again playing in Philippine Navy. Tapos the format that we are going to try today, we are all playing Potting Olympics pa rin. It's the format that we will be trying today. It's called Sadam. So again, like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if you enjoy this type of format. See you at the fairways.
What a shot.
Stinger ah. Sumabit. Okay. So for the format for today's video, it's called Sadam. So we're trying this out, kami ni Jong, ni Mongs, and ni Tito Boy. So basically ang Sadam, it's 1 versus the rest of the flight. So it's 1 against 3 per hole. Tapos it rotates. So the rotation for the Sadam, it's Jong, Tito Boy, Mongs, tapos ako. So what will happen is, for that hole, if ikaw ang Sadam, you're playing against 3. So ito total yung 3 after the round, after the hole. Then for the individual, you multiply it by 4. So whoever wins or who has the lower score wins. So if the individual wins the hole, the rest of the flight pays the individual. So tapos if nanalo naman yung tatlo, yung individual pays the 3 players that he's playing with. So ganun siya. Tapos we are still discussing yung sa handicapping later. But basically the rotation for this first hole, si Jong ang Sadam. So he's playing against me, me, Mongs, and Tito Boy. Alright, so Jong unfortunately pulled his tee shot. This is his 3rd shot already. Ang hirap pa man din magpapayat.
Mas mahirap magpapayat. So.
Tito Boy landed in the bunker. Angat! Okay, Mongs, second shot. Okay, tawid. GUR, right side. He's still left with 243 yards to the flag. Do I play it smart and lay up lang, or go for it with my hybrid? Okay, I'm not playing smart. I'm going for it. Hindi naman going for it. Hitting a hybrid. Bro!
Oh.
Ay, hindi nag-drop. Kaliwat kanan. Tito Boy unfortunately went in the water. Ganda. Kanan lang. 4! 4! For my 3rd shot, Still left with 29 yards to the flag. Left to right pa to? Right to left. Ah, tama, right to left pala. Left to right.
Bite.
Okay, Mongs for 5 points. At saka si Tito Boy for Olympics. I am putting for birdie. Mukhang that's for 1 point. Tito Boy. Hit the ball. Nakamark na, hindi pa kasi kinuha. Ikaw 4. Sino 2? Ako. Si Tito 3. Okay. So, Mongs for 4 points. Tito Boy for 3. Ako for 2. Jong for 1. Pating ano ka na, Jong? Playing 8. For par and 4 points. Maga yun ah. For par ba dapat yan? Ah, for bird. For bird pa pala yan. Ang bigay mo muna. Ayun, saan yung bola? Ay, sa linya. Okay, Jong for 1 point and triple bogey. Nice spot. 1 point. 8. 24 siya. Ako natin. Panalo kami ng one stroke lang pinanalo namin dun.
Bakit?
8 si Tito. 18. Ay hindi, panalo pala. 8 times 3 ba? Times 4?
Times 3.
Times 3 pala, sorry. O, times 3 pala. 8, 16, 24. 5 din ako eh. 18. Ah, panalo tayo.
Oo, mababa kayo.
Okay, panalo kami.
Party mo.
Tapos, okay, recap. We won hole number 1. Talo yung sa dam. So, meron na kaming 10 pesos each. So, hole number 2. And tapos sa Olympics, si Jong lang merong 1 point. So, for this hole, it's Tito Boy. Tito Boy ang sa dam. So, he's playing against us 3.
Ay, kaliwang.
Ay, sorry.
New swing. Uy, di nag-fade. Need to take my medicine. Pinasok mo pa. The smart play is to punch out here. But the hero shot is here. So, anong kukunin natin?
Hero siya.
Okay.
Pagkailag ba nga?
Okay, lusot. Buti na lang. Saka nag-draw. My teammate for... Okay, good out. Jong still left with 190 yards for his third shot to go up and down for par. Big bounce. Big bounce. Gulong. Akyat. Patong, brother. Okay. Patong si Jong. Patting for par. Good shot, brother. Tito Boy naman. Playing 180 yards to the flag for his third shot. Up and down for par also. Ganda. Big bounce din. Huwag ka lang. Tama na. Ay, pumasok sa bunker. I'm left with 132 yards to the flag. Hitting a, this is to go up and down for a par. Hitting a full 50-degree wedge. Thank you. Tito Boy to go up and down for his, I think, bogey. Yeah, for his bogey. Pero he gets a pop here. So may +1 siya or -1 stroke for this hole. Pasok si Monks! Muntik pa. That's for 1 point. So Tito Boy 4 points, Jong 3, ako 2. Monks is for 1.
Yun.
Double 18. So 18. Di kahit mag-isang tupat, may magtupat sa inyong isa.
Natabla lang.
5 ka, di ba? Bogey ka.
6 ako.
Ah, double ka pala. So double. So 12. 6.
4-6 rin to.
6. Ah, panalo. Winning pot nga yan. Okay, panalo. So si Tito magbabayad sa atin. Okay, we won. The hole number 3. The Saddam for this hole is si Monks. So Pating Olympics. It's Monks and Jong with 1 point. Kami ni Tito Boy wala pa. So hole number 3 is playing 195 yards. Hitting a 6 iron.
4! Ayun. Ayun. Ay.
Go! Go! Pero nung nakahuli naman si Doy dito. Okay, safe.
Go!
Ano?
Patok.
Ay, konting-konti.
Okay, we are all still outside of the green. So si Mongs is right before the bunker. Si Jong is in the middle. Ako, I'm inside in the bunker. 20 yards sila both. Tugira na si Jong. A little short. Si Mongs, mukhang sobra. Olympian! Ay, tama na. Okay. Unfortunately, dito nag-carry. Bumaba. Okay, I'm 19 yards to the flag. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Ano to, Wena? Left to right ba to? Right to left. 19. Okay. Ay, hina lang. Duwag. Tito Boy. Olympian. I think to go up and down for a bogey na to. Ay, double. Ay, shot, Tito! Pasok mo na! 1 point. Okay, Tito Boy for 1 point. Ayaw pa ibigay nung Saddam. Okay. Kaya pala. Okay. Jong for 4 points. Tapos si Mongs for 3. Ako 2. For par. Ang lakas. Nakakuha. 3 points. Boom. Tsaka bogey. Good putt, brother. Grabe yun ah. Uy. Grabe. Sa'yo na ko mo 3 points at saka Saddam. Panalo si Monk sa Saddam. Hole number 4 for the Saddam. Yours truly. Wala pa akong points.
Ay! 4!
Uy! Bumalik.
Nice. Bumalik.
Ganda. Ang ganda yun, Mongs. Lusot. Good shot. Hindi. Jong's second shot. Punch out. Naku, kailangan pala. Hindi magaganda mga palo nila. Ay, tumama sa puno! For my second shot, I'm still left with 114 yards to the flag. Matalbog naman yan. So, saktong full 56-degree wedge. Play is right to left. Okay, terrible second shot. Left with 50 yards to the flag. No green to work with. I will try to nip pa rin a 60-degree wedge.
Ay.
Okay, Tito Boy. Mukhang for 4 points. Okay. May chance ako. Sino 3? Si Mongs. Ako 2. 4 birdie ka, Mongs? 4 bird? Playing 4. For par ka rin. Okay, pares kami ni Jong putting for par. Tumalon. Ayaw niyo pa rin bigay?
Okay. Anong cup?
Tito Boy for bogey. 15.
Nice spot.
Okay, that's good, Tito. So, double si Tito. Double. Par kayo parehas, no? Pating par. 4, 4, 6. Kailangan ano? Pareho nyo ma-shoot. Pag isang nagmintis, tie. Ay, sayang. Okay, bogey. So, 6 si Tito plus 5, 11. So, kailangan, pag na-shoot ni Mongs yan, tie. Panalo ko. Okay, par. Pero panalo ako sa dam. Hole number 5. Ang sa dam, si Mr. Reyes. It's playing 120 yards to the flag. Against the wind. Uphill.
Four!
Nakala ko mauna. Ikaw dito? Yung ball.
Uy, all in one.
Oo, hindi. Kinumpress ko talaga kasi dapat gusto ko mag-pick. Maangat. Okay, that is for my birdie. Jong to go up and down for par. Siya ang sa dam ngayong butas na to. Okay. Tito Boy to go up and down for bogey. Michelle. Bite! Ayun naman yun. Okay, so Olympics. Si Mongs is for 4 points. Mukhang Tito Boy is for 3. Jong is for 2. Ako 1 point. This is for Mongs birdie. Ako, malakas yata. Partner, tama na. Okay. Natutunan tuloy ni Jong. Pinamitas niya sa kasama. Hindi matutunan. Good naman na siguro yan.
Good na yan, good.
Adam.
Nice birdie.
Pating bogey ka na ba? So tupat. Pwede magtupat si Mongs. Pero wag mo na itupat. Okay, good par, brother. Par. Okay, sa amin. Jong for bogey. Good putt. Good bogey. Ay, naku, kumaliwa.
Par ka ba dun sa, bogey ka dun sa,
Bogey. Kuha ko yan. Okay, hole number 6. Si Tito ang Saddam. 343 yards. Okay. Sa Olympics, Monks is leading 4 points. Tapos 1-1-1 kaming tatlo nila Tito.
Four!
Yun, ganda. Tito Boy with 90 yards to the flag. Tira niya. Angat. Tama na! Yun, bumalik Tito. Safe. Okay, buti tumama sa pader. Si Jong need to take his medicine. Okay, fairway. At least fairway, brother. I am left with 85 yards to the flag. Left to right. No, why na?
Right. Bounce right.
Sobra pa rin. Uy! Naka-choke na ako nun. Second shot. Ganda ng drive ni Monks. Around the green. Just a little right. Fortunately, landed in the bunker. Mga tirang 10 yards lang to.
Bite.
Pating ano na kayo dyan? Like, pating par din. Kukuha pala ni Tito. Okay. Ikaw, par ka rin. Birdie. Pating para ka. Mahina. Lakas pala. Nilakasan ko rin kasi talaga eh. Yan yung reading ni Karoy, mabilis eh. Nagre-retenera ko sa wala. Uy, nagbigyan ako ni Luigi ah. Double? Oo. Ano ba yun? Hindi, mali yung una kong putt. Sorry guys. Wala tayong points ano? Sorry brother. Tito Boy won that hole sa Saddam. Then for Olympics, no movement. For 1-1-1 pa rin. Butas pala. Ikaw ang Saddam dito. Monks is the Saddam in this hole. Ako ang susunod. Okay.
tapos tinanong ko sino yung Saddam.
So alam na alam mo.
Kabila ka rin.
Four! Kaliwa lahat. My tee shot went to the left. I'm left with 137 yards. Buti lang may tira. I don't think the tree might be a factor. Kay Monks, second shot, 100 yards. Mukhang kuha niya na naman tong Saddam. Nag-shank ang aking second shot. 40 yards to the flag. Right to left. Nippy, 30 degrees. 30 yards.
Bite.
Tito Boy for 5 points pala to. 5 points! Si Saddam ang magde-decide kasi. Okay, Monks for par and for 4 points. Ako I'm putting for par also and par and 3 points. Tapos si Jong for 2, Tito Boy for 1 point. Okay, my line for my par is okay, halos isa Halos isang cup lang.
1.
Plus 1. Wow! Three points. What? 3 points, 3 points. Kuha! Ay, sayang. Okay. Good putt dito. 1 point. Okay. Monks to win the Saddam. If he misses it, kami panalo. Good putt. Okay, sayo. Ngayon lang yun ha. Yung pag na-shoot mo panalo. Pag na-mintis mo, talo. Kasi 18 ka pag minintis mo eh. 6, 12, 18. Tapos kami 17. Okay, so for the 8th hole, I am Saddam. I am the Saddam. Okay. Tapos sa Olympics, 4 si Mongs, 4 din ako. Si Tito Boy is 1. Ay, sorry, Tito Boy is 2. Si Jong is 1. Kanan. 4! 4 right! 4! Wait na. Ganda yan. Kunin ko yung buligang ko. Ay, okay.
Katong.
Kunin ko lang po. Patong. Ganda, Tito.
Nice shot.
Bakit ganyan kayo pag ako sa dam? Go! Tama na! Tama na, Tito! Okay, thank you. Tito Boy, also outside of the green button. Texas wedge. Mahina. Olympian! Okay. Okay, Mong still outside of the green. Pati si Jong. Mga Olympian. Ang hirap ng stance mo. Ito, so mahirap ng stance mo. Huwag mong i-shoot. Huwag mong i-shoot. Huwag mong i-shoot! Okay, buti na lang. Muntik nang ma-shoot ni Mongs. 1 point siya. Super difficult lie. Super difficult lie and stance for Joe. Ala, mahirap talaga. Mahirap talaga, brother. Ito eh, masama yung... Huwag mo i-shoot! Okay. Si Tito 4-3. Jong 4-2. Halos sa bola. Okay. Plus 1 ano? Ay! Sayang! Ang 3 points! Sayang. Stay park. Sayang. Nakalimutan namin pindutin. Tito with 2 points. Oh!
Ha? 2 point par.
Oh, par. Oh, tama Tito. Texas wedge. Tapos ano? Pat. Okay, good par Tito. Par si Tito. Ano to? Tapos 2 points si Tito sa Olympics. Si Jong for 1 point. Naka 1 point pa! Ay na to! 3-2!
2 points.
Sayang, di ko pa na-shot yung 3 oh, sayang. 4 pala ako, 4, 3 si Tito, 2 si Jong. So 4 si Tito, 3, 2 sa Olympics.
Handicap trick.
Okay, so I won the Saddam sa hole number 8. Kanan lang ng konti. Kikiklip yan. Ay, right. Okay, swerte. Very lucky. I hit the tree. Went back to the fairway. Malakas magdasal ni Weng Der Woman. Just playing safe with a hybrid, hopefully. Tapos si Jong ang ating Saddam. Okay. What a terrible second shot. Need to punch draw lang dito. So tirang makalabas. Mga 80, no? Thank you. Hindi! Tito boy to go up and down for, I think this is for regulation for birdie. Napupul. Patong pa rin yata tito eh. Okay, tama na. Tama na. Okay. Mongs to go up and down for a birdie. He is still ilan ba daw? 140 yards to the flag. I am left with 72 yards to the flag. Tama no? 72? Mga tirang 65. Kaliwa. Dun sa puno, no? Katabing puno.
Ay, take.
Par! Di mo napindot!
Napindot.
Akala ko, wait, numunan ka. Kasi hindi pa sumut.
Tigam.
Ha?
Kalabahan ako pag sabi mo, simulat mo.
Ah! Sayang, di pa sumut. Okay. Mongs. To up and down ka for par dyan, da? Okay, up and down for par for Mongski. And also, that is that. Ganda, Mongs. 2 points pa tayo. 2 points pa ako. 2 points pa ako. Okay. Grabe yung malapit. Oh, tama. 2 points pa. Oy, mas malapit pa. Okay. 4 si Tito, 3 si Jong, 2 ako, 1 si Mongs. 4, 3 si Tito. Tama? 2 ako, 1 si Mongs. Ang lalapit. Ang lalapit ng Olympics. And ano kayo Tito? For par din po kayo, di ba? For par. Ikaw for bogey. Oh, pag na-shoot natin to lahat, Tay, kuha mo. Par kaming tatlo eh. 4 par ka. Ayun, pag na-shoot ni Tito, panalo tayo. Par to make birdie. Bogey to make par. No? 15, 14. Kung masushoot din natin dalawa. Okay, medyo clutch to. Bawal magbintis. Ay, sayang. Good pa, Tito. That's good. Bigay ko na, Jong.
4 points yun.
Ay, nasa loob na pala ako nga pala. 4 points yun. Sayang, Tito. Eh, for the win, Jong. Talaga.
Ay, nakabig. Kabig.
That's good, that's good. 2 points.
Nakanabahan pa ako dun ah.
Ako din. Nice spot. Okay, par. Si Jong double. Kuha natin, no? Ay, tama ba? Double. Ay, si Tito. Teka, si Tito, bogey. Pero -1. So, par. Par tayong tatlo. Panalo tayo. Kuha natin. Alright, second 9. Hole number 10. Playing 100. Nasa dulo ulit. 150 siguro to. So, for Putting Olympics update, kaming dalawa ni NM1. NM2, 6 points. 5 si NM1. Tapos 3 si Jong. Tapos ang... Ba't sa yung isa? 8 pala. Tapos sa dam. Ang sa dam ngayon si Tito.
Hanapin mo yung butas, please.
Ay, short!
Ay, may hangin. Ganda ng
Nakasabangin
linya.
sa taas. May against nga sa taas.
Shot.
Fight.
Patong. Ay, shot.
Bye. Patong, sir.
Malaki ba to sa kanan? Maliit lang, di ba? Halos mahigit isang cup lang? O kulang yun? Half grip. Paakyat. Ng konti, ano?
Lumabas pa.
Tito Boy for 4 points and for birdie. Mr. Manzano the second for birdie also and 3 points. Si Jong 2 points and par. Ako rin for par and 1 point. Naku, tumalon. Tsaka pala yun. Okay, naku, malakas din. Okay, Tito Boy for par. Uy, nakabig! Nice par. Nice shot.
Uy!
Yun.
Come
Come on, pressure is on me. One point. Okay, hole number 11. Sino ang ano ngayon? Ikaw, Mongs. Ikaw ang Saddam. Okay, si Mongs ang Saddam. Ganda. Nice shot. Hindi nag-fade. Wow! Pwede to? Horse! Oh, shot. Yun. Sakto.
Fade naman.
Oh, pina-fade na. Opo, opo. Okay, Jong. Second shot. Ay, naku, nakast. Nakast. Gwapo naman nun. Shout out sa gwapo naming starter. Si Tata. Monks is still left with 130. He is our Saddam for this hole. Ganda naman ng low flight na yun. Huwag ka lang kikik right. Yun lang talaga. Olympian yata. Ay, lumabas pa. Okay, second shot left with 107 yards against the wind. Hitting a full 56 degree wind.
Nasasabi ko pag chinuchok eh.
Kapag sinuchok, kumakabit kayo.
Baka nachuchok eh.
Tito Boy, around 100 yards to the flag, downwind, to go up and down for birdie. Uy, natap, umangat. Tama na. Bite. Ay, wala. Lagpas. Pulled my second shot to the left. So left with 22 yards to the flag. Right to left as left to right. Mabilis to eh. It's either nip ko to or flop eh. Ay, dapat di ko na pinabite.
Ako din eh, yung practice. Yung wala akong pitch ko sa... Yan ko lang pinapag...
And 2 points. Pasok, 2 points. That's good. Nice patita. Eh, kulang pa. Uy! Ooh. No movement sa Olympics. Tapos, for hole number 12, I am the Saddam.
Balik. Go.
Bakit di ka nagdodraw?
Tiklet.
Ay, ganun.
Subukan kong sasabayan ko ng pan. Ay, ang sama ng sifa. Bakit ganun sifa niya? Hey, Tito Boy, just outside for his birdie. Olympian si Tito, 4 points pa. Jong 4, potentially 5 points. Malakas, ang lakas. 1 point yan.
Hala, pasok oh.
Ayun, oh, kayo Tito ang 4. Mag-shoot niyo. Lakas.
Abot mo! Ay!
Hindi ka narinig.
Edge firm ha.
Bogey! Sayang. Jong na lang may chance for 1 point.
Nice.
1 point. Yun, diba? Nice pa Tito. So update for Olympics. I am leading 7, tapos si Mong 6, si Jong also 6, tapos si Tito Boy 5. Tapos I was able to win the Saddam sa hole number 12. So we're playing number 13. Okay, hole number, si Jong ulit. Hole 13, 489. Our Saddam Jong. Uy! 4 for left! New swing again. Ganda! Halatang siya ang Saddam.
Easy swing.
Nice shot, Rod. Ito to sa likod.
Nice shot. Perfect.
Ay, kaliwa din. Jong, our Saddam for this hole. Malayo pa. 400 yards pa to the flag. Okay, right down the middle. Okay, gitna. I am left with 200 yards to the flag. Downwind. Hitting a 4 iron. Hopefully this is enough.
Ganda
Eagle
yan.
baby.
Kiklap mo.
Eagle baby. Eagle baby. Ay, short.
May hangin. Lakas talaga ng hangin.
Okay, Tito Boy's third shot. Ganda Tito, ay kung maliwa sa dulo. Huwag kang sasabit. Ay, safe Tito. Nakita ko sa may cart path. Apo. Damn, for this hole. Around 90 yards pa yan to the flag. Ganda. Olympian! Lumabas, Olympian! Okay pag bagong ulan. Okay, thank you. Okay. Tito Boy, just outside of the green for 5 points. Ano bigay mo ba? Nakaliwa, no?
Opo, sir. Labas lang ng gunita. Labas lang.
Konting-konti lang doon. Plus 2? Plus 1 na far. Plus 2, ano? Wala nang firm yun. Pwedeng konti, ano? Okay.
Mahina.
Ay, kulang sa kaliwa. Mahina rin. Bale! Sakto sa gift.
Line.
Sakto sa gift. Okay. Monks for 2 points. Uy, kulang. For bogey ba yun? Sa double. Si Tito Boy, bogey? Bogey. For par to si Jong, di ba? Ay, kinapos! Woo! Muntik pa, may slide pull. Okay, bird. May slide. Okay, hole number 14. So currently, no movement ulit sa Olympics. Pero the group won that Saddam sa hole number 13 by 1 point. So 17-18. Ganda, Tito. Natin tumira. Okay, need to take my medicine. Sana this is enough. Hitting a pitching wedge sa taas.
Biro muna konti. Biro muna konti.
For my third shot to go up and down for birdie, I'm left with 170 yards. I'm hitting an 8 iron. Just try to play it short. More! More! Patong? Okay. Kiling ko talaga. 16 paces for birdie. Ano to? Left to right?
Opo.
Malakas yata. Buhay nga. Malakas!
Tama na.
Hindi pala ganun kabagal. Lakas din, no? Mabilis.
Bilis ang green. Oh.
Jong for 2 points. Nice spot. Oh. Nice spot. Nice spot, Tito. Bogey net par si Tito, di ba? Okay, net par. So all, tayo kuha ni Tito. Tapos 2 points si Jong. Alright, hole 15. The Saddam for this round or for this hole is Monks. Tapos for Olympics, Mr. Reyes is leading 8. Tapos 7-7 kami ni Monks. Tapos si Tito Boy 5. Ganda. Nice shot.
Sayang, kumulot lang. Safe yan, safe yan.
Kanan, Tito. Linya ng cart path. 220 yards hitting an high. Hitting a hybrid. Ganda. Go! Ay, wag ka dyan! Wag! Tama na! The Saddam is left with 200. 210. Diba 210 yards to the flag. He's hitting his 3 hybrid. Open stop. Ayun, maganda yung sipa. Ay, tama na. Para safe naman. Okay. Third, my second shot was just short. So it's left to right 30 yards for my third shot to go up and down for hopefully a birdie. Ito daw yung aim. Yung puno daw nakakulay niya, sabi ni Wing. Okay, 30 yards. Ikaw nagsabi na, hindi ako ha. Oh.
Brown lang ako, brown.
Malakas din yata. Ay, malakas ng konti. Ganda, Tito. Ang ganda. Go. Nice out, Tito. Pating bogey. And for 4 points. Tapos si Monks birdie, no? Pating birdie and 3 points. Ako 2 points and birdie. Mabilis to. Naalala ko. Laylay ito eh. Diba?
Sakto yan.
Sakto. Oo, baba. Down. More. Please. Ganda na speed. Good par, brother.
Nice, man. Short lang. May ka din, diba?
Par.
So ako 15.
Wala ka namang stroke eh. Wala ka namang plus. Oh, 16. As playing mga 110 siguro.
Kick right.
Pulin man mo na. Kumahanap sa dulo. Nice shot dito. Ayun na po dito, prize money na 25. Monks is putting for 4 points and birdie. Tito Boy is putting for 3 points and also birdie. Sino sa atin? Parang pare. Ako. Parang tingin ko rin dito konti eh. Okay, 2 points ako and birdie. Si Jong is for par and 1. Mahina.
Sa dam na naririnig ko, yung may amoy sa kaligid yun.
Ay! That's good, Tito. Kulang. Tumalbog pa rin ba? Okay, that's good. Nice spot. Okay. Wala ulit Olympics. Okay, hole number 17. I was able to get the ang tawag ba dun? Sa dam. For then hole 17, it's playing 170 yards, slightly downwind. So I'm hitting an 8 iron. So the Saddam for this hole is Mr. Reyes. Ganda yan, Monks. Turn pa. More wind! Si Jong. Oh, pinalo. Good out! Wow naman sa dam! Wow, nice out. Monks the Olympian, to go up and down for a bogey. Bagal.
Kulang sa lakas. Ang ganda rin niya.
For 3 points.
Go ahead.
Ay!
Wow.
Buwis!
Sana.
Oh, maliwa? Kulang, hindi na firm eh. Jong was able to win the Saddam for that. Hole 18, last hole, layup hole. Tapos ang Saddam ngayon for the last hole is Tito Boy.
130.
Oh.
Four. Isa pool.
Wow. Okay lang, medyo pinintang ng konti. Still in the fairway. Hindi kita. Playing 225 yards to the flag. With the wind ba? Okay, with the wind. Hitting a 4 iron.
Kulong mo na lang.
I will experiment a shot. It's very downwind, 70 yards to the flag. So I'm hitting a low flighted. Gwapo na, no? Low flighted 50 degree. Pero tirang mga 50 yards. Ay! Ay, nasa bunker nga ako. Bad trip naman yun. Very bad break. Sobrang severe, nag-kick left yung bola. Landed on the bunker. In the bunker. Sino Olympics? Ande si Monks. 4 si Monks, 3, 2 ako, 1 ka. Okay. Nakuha ni Tito. 3 points pa. Bogey. Tapos -1. Opo. Okay. Ako rin bogey.
Uy!
Ay, ganun din. Mas masakit pa. Good round, brother. Good round. Lahat tayo double pero may stroke si Tito eh. Tito, maraming salamat po. Congrats na nakuha niyo yung huling butas. Good round, brother. Good round, good round. Ayan. Nice shot.